Let's take a look at the 15 steps of blood flow through the heart on one of these models. Now always start with the 3 inflows of blood into the right side. Well, there's 3 inflows of blood over here into this right atrium. There's the superior vena cava, then on the bottom is the inferior vena cava, and then to the inside there's another small hole called the coronary sinus. So superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, coronary sinus all lead into the right atrium. From the right atrium, blood is going to pass the tricuspid valve. Now you're down in the right ventricle. Then you go through the pulmonary semilunar valve, through the pulmonary trunk, through the pulmonary arteries. And you can see those pulmonary arteries in purple split left and right. From there, blood's going to circulate through the lungs. And then it's going to come back into the left side of the heart through these 4 pulmonary veins. So that left atrium has got 4 holes in it. We saw 3 of them over here in the right atrium. There's 4 coming into that left atrium. From the left atrium, blood's got to get past the bicuspid or the mitral valve, down into the left ventricle, then up through the aortic semilunar valve, which you can see back up under here, then through the aorta in red, out to the body, and right back to the right side of the heart again. So let's look at that one more time. 3 inflows. Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, coronary sinus, all lead into that right atrium. Through your tricuspid, down here to your right ventricle, to your pulmonary semilunar valve, pulmonary trunk, pulmonary arteries, to the lungs. Comes back from the lungs into the 4 red pulmonary veins. That leads into the left atrium. From the left atrium, you go to the bicuspid or mitral valve, down to the left ventricle, then through that aortic semilunar valve, which you can see down in there, through the aorta, here in red, out to the body, and right back to the right side of the heart again.